How to make money with NFTs in 2022. Step-by-step guide. Welcome back to Crypto Smooth. Cryptocurrency investing is coming of age, and several trends are rising and showing signs of being the next big thing in the crypto world. In the ever-evolving blockchain world, the technology behind cryptocurrency non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, is quickly taking shape as a passive investment method. NFTs have become so popular that respected corporations, celebrities, and investors are launching or talking about launching their NFTs. The gaming industry is no exception to this, as NFT has completely revolutionized the gaming space. A look at recent statistics reveal just how fast NFT popularity is rising. In 2020, the total NFT sale value was $250 million, while the first quarter of 2021 has a total sales value of $2 billion. So here in this video, we will discuss about making money with NFTs in 2022. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our videos. What is a non-fungible token? The simple non-fungible token definition is goods or assets that aren't interchangeable. It's creating or having something that you can't replace with something else. Fungibles are those that you can interchange one for another. Therefore, non-fungible tokens are units of data stored on a blockchain and that certifies a digital asset as unique and, accordingly, uninterchangeable. You can look at them as a digital equivalent of private collectibles where each piece has a different value. Top ways to make money with NFTs. If you have been wondering how people make money with NFTs, you'll be glad to know that there are several ways to do that. Let's look at 4 ways that we have had some tangible results. Digital works of art. Individual NFT artworks are among the most popular and valuable non-fungible tokens created so far in terms of profitability. The history of blockchain and art changed dramatically in March 2021 when an auction house sold artwork for a staggering $69 million. This was the auction house's first time auctioning a fully digital artwork. NFTs give the right of ownership to the artist, such that when you create a digital asset, you're able to show proof of authenticity and profit from your work. If you happen to be a meme creator, you get to benefit when it circulates. Looking at it from that perspective, NFTs are a revolutionary technology for art creators. Fashion NFTs. In a similar way as with artwork, NFTs address authenticity issues and eliminate the possibility of counterfeits. Clothing and fashion brands are increasingly benefiting from the NFT trend by releasing a digitized limited edition of their outfits with a collection of iconic celebrity pieces or design signatures. In addition, the clothing and fashion brands can benefit from NFT development by building an NFT marketplace for their clothes and accessories. This allows them to generate unlimited revenue from the NFTs in a secure and robust environment. Licensed collectibles. Tokenizing collectibles is among the best niche applications of NFTs and feels like it's the most obvious way to deal with collectibles. People already in the sector dealing with physical collectibles such as trinkets, memorabilia, trading cards, and other items now only have to sell the same as digital assets. With NFT's capability to prove uncommonness, the value of the collectibles can be significantly higher than their physical counterparts. The most popular collectibles so far are sports cards. Initially, the Sport Card project only allows the trading of licensed footballer cards. Now the National Basketball Association, or NBA, has also launched its collection of NFT cards. There's a high likelihood that other sports will follow suit, and collections will have a wider variety of sport NFTs to buy. This is not to say that other collectibles aren't doing well. As stated earlier, physical collectibles can be turned into tokenized assets and bought, traded, or sold as such. While physical trading and handling can damage the collectibles, NFTs never lose their quality as they only exist in digital form and are securely stored on the blockchain. Video games. Video game NFTs are also taking shape as blockchain allows you to turn the games from paying to win to playing to earn. For the games to engage larger audience and increase revenue opportunities with high-demand rewards, NFT game development is the way to go. The games have functions that allow buying, selling, trading, or exchange for your collectibles. Although so far there aren't any games that have gained high popularity, the potential is enormous. With games being well-known huge spenders on virtual items, video games with NFTs sellable in-game items have a likelihood of becoming a big winner. Notably, NFT video game developers are also ambitious creators of NFTs, which might thrust the NFT technology further forward. Compared with other NFTs such as artwork, fashion, and trading cards, in-game NFTs are the most advanced of all. This is because they're complex, fully interactive, yet keep changing with time by having to be upgraded or to be leveled up with the changes in a player's character. What gives NFT value? Just like pieces in our hypothetical art collection, consumer interest drives the value of an NFT. Similar to trading cards, the rarity and base of interested consumers influence their worth. While an image can be converted into an NFT, that doesn't prevent the image from being freely shared. However, it does definitively show who owns the asset through the blockchain. How do I know if my NFT sells? Since these sites tend to not use traditional email, you'll need to check the sales page for updated offers on the asset you're selling. If you see an acceptable offer, or if the user pays the full price you've requested, you'll be able to accept it. The crypto funds offered will then be transferred to your wallet. You'll be able to withdraw this and either use it to purchase other products through crypto or exchange it for cash. What's the easiest way to profit off of NFTs? For more complex NFTs, you should consult a professional. At the moment, since NFTs are relatively new, your best bet is to use a site like Upwork to hire a freelancer. For simple single pieces of media, you can do it yourself on Rarible or a similar site. However, to sell more complex assets, knowledge or the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, and experience in the realm that is necessary. You can also profit off of NFTs without ever touching one. Some users treat them like stocks. By purchasing an NFT of something potentially profitable early on, you may be able to make a decent profit later on. Keep in mind that unfortunately the opposite could happen with your investment as well. In short, the best way to make money off NFTs will vary by person. If you have the money to spare, the best bet may be to buy an asset that will obviously garner interest as time goes on. While some higher profile NFTs are overpriced right now, the NFT market is just beginning, so you'll have far less competition. If you're a content creator or influencer, you would likely be best off creating your own original NFTs and selling them. What is the future of NFTs? Like most blockchain experiments, the future is relatively unknown. However, prominent publications indicate that NFTs aren't going away anytime soon. Now that wealthy investors are pouring money into them, it's likely that they will become more and more mainstream. With an ability to sell the right to use assets without giving up ownership, this may even become the new way to sell music to consumers. To jump into the market with the least risk, anything creative that you own is potentially valuable. Game sprites, music you've recorded, pictures you've taken, prominent accounts on various sites and forums, and pretty much anything else you can think of could be an NFT. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.